Hey people, it's Nikawasa, and in front of you I have another package that was ordered in prior to me moving to Georgia. I ordered this when I was in New York State. Believe I did. I knew it would take a while to come, so I used, the alternative address. And it's been a while. It's been almost a month, but that's okay. I know with COVID and everything going on that things are kind of delayed. So I want to share this with you. As you guys know, I'm in a Gillio Appunto for my wallet. I use that as a wallet / planner. But then I'm also using my Niakara medium as my real planner with all of my daily stuff, my devotion, my everything. This one is more or less it goes in my purse basically. I did find out just recently that the purse I was carrying was actually damaging my planners. That's another video, but I was so upset, guys, that I don't know what was going on, but the lining on the interior was getting my planners dirty in essence. So really not cool, but whatever. Wow, this is the Yale blue. It's got lots of lovely texture. It is beautiful. I believe that the seller told me this was new, and she rocks. The pen was included, and I thought that was awesome. I do now have a very nice collection of Gillio pens. I pretty much, I want to say I have 6 of them. I do not have this particular color yet. This is beautiful. I do have like a royal blue one, but not that color. The Appunto is very nice. It's simple. It's what you need. Obviously, it's got your cards on the one side and your slip pocket at the bottom. And you've got the ability to put cash on this side. The authenticity card, which I like to keep track of when they come with the items. So that's really cool. The zipper piece for coins. Anything that you want to put back here, like a driver's license or whatever. But if you don't necessarily want it to fall out, maybe not. I love the Appuntos. There you have the back pocket, the big back pocket that people love so much. I'm going to decorate my baby out, and we'll be back to show you her decorated later. But this is the reveal, and I'm trying to just get that texture on camera for you. It's beautiful. Look at the veins. Really pretty. All right, you guys, make sure that you're enjoying your Monday. I really appreciate you. Please, as always, be sure to like and subscribe. I am in my Airbnb. Going to be moving out of here in another 2 weeks to our permanent home here in Georgia. Have a great day and stay safe.